Hello everyone, this is Neelab Khatri, the Creative Director of Fitness Matters, and I have something in store for you today. We are talking about the secrets of longevity of life, the secret behind bigger muscles, the secret behind more testosterone, more fat loss, more happiness in life. And you might want to know what the secret is, and you have the answer already with you. That answer is sleep. Yes, you heard it right, sleep. Human beings in the Darwinian model of existence, we have seen we human beings, Homo sapiens, are on top of the pyramid. We are the smartest creatures on the planet and we are the most dominant species. Yet at the same time, because of our big brains, we undermine sleep. We are the only mammals on the planet that sleep less in the name of productivity. Ever since the pandemic hit, we have been sleeping less because we are watching Netflix, we are working more, we are talking to our friends more. So our sleeping hours have cut down, and because of these lesser sleeping hours, we see these following ramifications. First of all, if a human being sleeps less than 6 hours a night, he would have 23% less sperm count. And this is not just in males. You would see on the opposite aisle of the spectrum, females have 80% more chances of infertility issues. Seriously, 80%? So this is why we see in today's day and age, parents who are trying to start a family, it is so hard to do so because they are not sleeping well. Secondly, for students who want to ace their exams, who want to do better in life, they are told, "Beta, raat bhar jaag ke padho, exam better hoga." Is it true? No, because if you sleep less than 6 hours a night, your memory campus, the hippocampus, which retains short-term memory, is so frail, is so weak that you cannot recall the very thing that you were taught 10 minutes ago. Shocking, isn't it? Yes, it is. So if you want to excel in your exam, please sleep more than 8 hours a night. Do not compromise your sleep. Sleep more. Third reason that you should know is people who are dieting, who are trying to lose weight, who are trying to gain muscle. This is a big one, this is a whopper. A human being who sleeps less than 6 hours a night would lose up to 70% of their lean muscle mass and only 30% of their fat mass when they are dieting. As opposed to a person who sleeps 8 hours a night would retain that 70% of muscle and lose only fat. So this is how recomposition works. So all in all, you see all these factors which say that sleep is the only medicine that is the least prescribed in the world. So you want to know more about sleep and how it helps you achieve your dreams of your body, of your business, of your quality of life and happiness, read our article. The link is in the description box. Thank you for your support, guys.